Make sure we pull these straight from the notes. They're straight from the notes. You're ready to go. We'll start off here with number 9. In a reflection, the line of reflection is the perpendicular bisector of the line that, and this is going to make a lot of you just, why? But if I've got this shape, let's say I've got this dot, all right? We've got dot A, and I want to reflect it across this line. So this is the line of reflection. What is it perpendicular to? If I reflect A to this other side, here's A prime, it's perpendicular bisector of the line that connects your points. All right, it's going to be perpendicular to this line, and it's going to cut it exactly in half because in a reflection, you're equidistant to each point. So connects image and pre-image. All right, pre-image. All right, name a type polygon that has line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Any regular polygon that you name is going to work. Squares, regular pentagons, regular hexagons, all of them. All right. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to do this using math. You can do this using graph paper, however you want to do it on these. We've got J, which is at 1, 4. I've got A, which is at 3, 5. I really should have given myself some more space there. And then I've got R, which is at 2, 1. That's R. So we're going to reflect it across the x-axis. If you look at the x-axis, everything's going to flip. Only my y is going to change, and I'm going to be the same distance y away as I am at the moment. So if I'm at 1, 4, my y is going to flip to a negative. That's going to be 1, negative 4 for J prime. That's going to be 3, negative 5 for A prime. And then R is going to be 2, negative 1 prime, or negative 1. I've got R prime at 2, negative 1. Again, it's going to flip across that x-axis, and it'll be a new point over there. Reflected a line x equal 1. X equal 1 is a vertical line. It's going to change my x values. So however far away, I'm going to put 1, 4 over here because it's confusing me. However far away we are from the line negative 1, that's how far on the other side. So we're going to kind of estimate, we're going to count the distance to negative 1 for our x's, and we're going to be that far away on the other side. So 1 is 2 away from negative 1, so my new x value will be negative 3 for J. The y value will not change. Same thing for A. I am 4 away from negative 1, so it'll be 4 away on the other side. Y value, again, will not change. For R, I am 3 away from negative 1, so I'll be 3 away from negative 1 on the other side. And again, y value will not change. Reflected in the line y equal negative x, so we're going to be right here. This point, if I'm reflecting across y equal negative x, which is right there, my x value will be my new y value, and it'll be opposite. My y value will be my new x value, and it will be opposite. So J prime is going to be negative 4, negative 1. A prime is going to be negative 5, negative 3. And then R prime is going to be negative 2, negative 1. Reflected in the line y equal 5, it's going to be this line right here. And however far away we are from positive 5 rather, we're going to be that far away on the other side. Again, my x will not change here, only my y, because that's the direction we're moving in. So when I look at J, J is 1 away from that line in the y direction, so I'll be 1 away from the line in the other y direction. So instead of 1 away from below, 1 away from above. A is not going to change at all because we're already on the line of reflection. We'll still be at 3, 5. And then R, we are 4 away from 5, so I'll be 4 away from 5 on the other side for R prime. Reflected on the y-axis, the only thing that's going to change is the x, and the only way it's going to change is it's going to flip because we're going to 0. So when I look at J prime, x flips to negative 1. Again, the y value does not change because we're flipping over that y-axis. A prime, again, y value does not change, but that x value is going to flip. R prime, x value goes to negative 2. Moving right along. Flipping over x and y, you're just going to reverse that x and that y value. So again, J prime is going to be 4, 1. A prime is going to be 5, 3. and then r prime 1, 2.